working hard, wanna let you know I'm proud, let you know that I value what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, but life would be purposeless without you. If I want it, when I ask you about it, you inspire me to be better, you challenge me for.
Hey girls, hey, welcome to my channel. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today we are just doing a mix of a mini pamper routine and resetting to chill and vibe for the night. We just got back from having drinks and decided to do a staycation, so I'm feeling really relaxed and really calm. Grab you a drink and relax, girl. You deserve it, we deserve it. I just finished washing my face, but now I'm about to go in with a round two because I just want to make sure my face is nice and squeaky clean. Now I'm just going in with my favorite Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads. I really love these. I've been using them for about a year now, and I have noticed a difference in the texture of my skin. So if you don't have these, I would highly recommend these. I do get the travel size ones for when I'm traveling, so I just had a few left in my bag from the last time that I went on a trip. So now I'm just moving on to step 2 of the pads, which is a neutralizer. I wouldn't recommend skipping this step. Also, if you plan on buying these to try them out, make sure that you read the directions. Make sure that your face is completely dry before moving on to step 2. I'm just using some night cream moisturizer by the brand Fresh. I'm just going to go ahead and put that all into my skin and really moisturize it in. And now it's time to get in the shower. Girl, I had to make sure I got these legs nice and smooth. Now it's time to exfoliate. So I did bring Tea Tree Hut scrub. I also like to use the Teal's, Dr. Teal's scrub for exfoliation as well. So I do go back and forth between the two. The body wash that I'm using is by Olay. It is the B5. I think it is in honey, milk and honey. Either way, I love Olay's body wash and their body conditioners. Highly recommend. Now to add moisture back into the body, not that it really ever left because like I said, that Olay does a good job. I am going in and going to use some Dove moisturizing cream. This cream is so good. I love this as well. I don't know about you, but I do rotate putting on deodorant on a nightly basis. So I'll put some on one night, not put it on the other night, put some on one night. That way I can just rotate it, but also give my armpits a break through the night. It's time to smell good. So I don't know about you, but I do put perfume on at night. Not every night, but on those nights where I'm feeling really luxurious and really into pampering myself. If you don't put perfume at night, put some on. It changes the game for you, girl. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. You'll feel all rich. You'll feel luxurious. It's really giving rich bitch vibes. Okay, girls, so now it is time to relax. We had a good night. We went out, we had dinner, and then we came back and did a little face routine. We had a nice calm shower. So now it's time to kick our feet back and just relax for a little bit. More than likely, I'm on Instagram scrolling, but make sure while you're here, you follow me on Instagram if you're not following me. So now it's time to just turn off the lights, unwind, and get in the bed and watch some TV. Let me know what you all do in your pamper routines or in your self-care days. Do you like to go on staycations? Do you like to set the vibe at home? I like to do both. Also, let me know if you want to see a more in-depth body routine and face routine. That was just my on-the-go routine, but I do use those products, but I also have many more products, more so high-end, but I do mix it with drugstore as well. Let me know if you want to see that. I hope you guys like this video.